we are going to move on to the next topic, which is Group 1 and Group 7, and we're just going to focus on Group 1 metals to begin with. So, Group 1 on the periodic table, Group 1 metals, also known as alkali metals, they go down as follows. All these metals in Group 1 have one electron in their outer shell. So, I'm just going to draw an example. This could be any one of them. Let's just say I'm omitting out the inner shells and just keeping two of the most outer shells. So this is unstable, remember, because it's an incomplete outer shell. Therefore, everything in group 1 loses one electron because they all have one electron in the outer shell to now have a stable arrangement. So it ends up having a positive one charge because we've lost a negative charge. So it's no longer neutral. So everything in group 1, when they form an ion, they form a positive one ion. So it will be lithium plus, sodium plus, potassium plus, rubidium plus, and cesium plus. So as we go down the group as well, remember we're adding more electrons in because the proton number increases. Therefore, the atom sizes of your metals increases as we go down the group as well. Okay, we're just going to focus on properties to begin with. Okay, so they're metals, and you expect them to have the usual properties such as they conduct electricity, they're hard, they're shiny, they're malleable, they are ductile. But these metals, the alkali metals, are a little bit different than your usual metals such as iron and copper. So your alkali metals are a little bit softer and they can be easily cut with a knife. So they have the usual metal properties, but the unusual ones are that they are soft metals. And because they tarnish very easily, they're actually quite reactive. And if you have ever been shown these metals and how they are stored, you'll see that they're usually stored in bottles under oil. They will readily react with the moisture, the water, and the oxygen in the air as well. So we need to prevent that from happening. So they are usually stored under oil.